Today I'm going to speak in English. Coming to Apek Hill. Today I'm targeting going up to Jalan. That is halfway. And then I come back down, and then I go up again to Jalan and come back down. I'm going up, down twice. I start from here. Recognize the red car. This is the starting point. 今天讲英语，试试改变一下不同的语言。下次我再试一下用 DM Bahasa Malaysia. So today today fully in English. I'm about 20 minutes now. Okay, not that much of sweat yet. Okay, let's keep going. Wow, nice wind. Woo, enjoying. Okay, keep going. Okay, I have reached our front point again. Okay, a meter strong. See, already this much of sweat. The temperature is quite low right now. Without sunlight, I'm about to reach the Jalan, the halfway rest point. Okay, keep going. So let me shut down the shutter, and later I will continue to shooting again. How much the sweat I got today. I'm going to rest only 2 minutes. Going down again in 2 minutes. See the signage here, Jalan, Gold or Golden Station. I found something interesting here. How big is that? See, it's only about my palm size. Okay, I don't want to touch it, just to show you guys. What is inside? Anyone knows? Yeah, tell the audience what this is. It's about 2 minutes now. Go down, following the trail. See that side? The sun is coming out. This is where I am now. That path is for 4-wheel drive. Yeah, and this path is for human legs. Now here, see this? I'm going to walk up again the second time. Let's go. Second round. See, if you have been to Apek Hill, you know that this is the path up. Yeah, this is like about 5 minutes from the starting point. I'm reaching the junction again. When you reach the junction from Awana, I take right. I go right, and then immediately after right, I turn left again. Yeah, if I keep going, I will go to the shadless path of the four-wheel drive. So I don't want to walk the four-wheel drive path. Taking a rest. Look at my sweats now. Right now, my eyesight is so clear compared to like 40 minutes ago. Right now, my eyesight is so clear. Wow! Today, my second time reaching the power tower. See my sweat. Second time. Finally, about an hour, I reach Jalan. Second time. That's it for today. See you again next video.